Oh my goodness, she's still peeing. She's still three-legging it. Look at her. So I just dropped off my son for his first day back to school, first grade. And it just so happens that today we're getting a freaking total solar eclipse coast to coast in the United States. So I decided to completely document the day that the sun was blocked. So I'm pretty much gonna quickly document kind of like what my day consists of, especially in the mornings and stuff like that here in Miami, Florida. And like you guys can see, there is some clouds being built up and stuff like that already. I mean, the sun's already pretty much blocked off by some clouds. I want to see if, even though it's cloudy outside, and maybe even if we might not be able to see the sun, if it'll still get dark pretty much in the entire city of Miami. So regardless whether or not we do get to film today the partial covering, because Miami's not going to get a full total covering of the sun, we're going to get almost like that much covered. It's still going to be very significant. Today is a very significant, historic, legendary day. I mean the month of August is significant for me for many reasons. A lot of crazy things have happened to me in this month, but either way, to top things off, it just so happens to be the day of an eclipse. Last time this happened, I wasn't even alive. Next time it'll happen, I will be almost 70 something years old, and my children will be in their 40s. So you guys are going to witness with me, and if you live in the United States, I hope you guys get a chance to see it as well. Across the country, coast to coast, a total solar eclipse, guys. So I'm going to take you guys through a little tour pretty much of what my day consists of, all the way leading up to the point of blocking the sun, and what I decided to call today the day the sun was blocked. So join me in my daily routines as we count down to this thing being blocked off by the shadow of the moon, or by the moon. I don't know, I'm not a freaking eclipse expert. So starting things off, I just dropped off my son, first day of kindergarten, I'm sorry, first day of first grade, and the time is 8:40. I am in my Ford Crown Victoria. The year is 2017, and I am so excited. We're making our way to Dunkin' Donuts right now, and I'll catch you guys when I get there. Also, quick disclaimer, for convenience purposes, I'm going to be filming the entire thing today, the entire day in the life of Mr. Random, the day the sun was blocked. I will be filming the entire thing with my smartphone, so no good quality camera, but either way, I mean, the smartphone's not bad at all. Anyways, so what does Mr. Random get for breakfast on the day the sun was blocked? Well, here we have it, guys. We have some Dunkin' Donuts, and of course, a medium-sized iced coffee. Of course, I added flavor to it. I don't drink this shit black or nothing like that. I don't do it like that, man. I'm not, that's that white people stuff. But anyways, I'm just playing with you guys. Don't get all emotional with me. All right, so normally on a regular day, I would get bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. But today, since it's a special day, since it's the day the sun was blocked, this might very well be our last day here on Earth. I don't know. Maybe airplanes are going to fall out of the sky. Who knows what the hell's going to happen? Either way, I got myself two. Count it with me, boys. 1, 2, one bagel, two bagel, Anyways, I got myself two bacon, egg, and cheese bagels to start my eclipse celebration day just right. Maybe I'm just making up excuses to be a fat ass. Either way, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. So I will catch you guys when I get back home and continue my little day in the life of the day the sun was blocked for Mr. Random. Let's go ahead and skip right to the house. All right, guys, so we are pulling into the house as we speak. Continuing with the whole house. I got shocked. Look who's, of course, I always get shocked every time I get out of my car. Look who's greeting me already. I tell you guys, I don't make this thing up in my videos. I don't bring this cat here. Look, I just showed up to the house. Look who's already walking up to the house. Anyways, let's see what else, what other animals we could greet it up here in Dr. Doolittle's house. Let's see here. Aw, Bitsy! How you doing, old lady? How you doing, old lady? Oh my goodness. And of course, the cat just waltz in here like it's all good. You gotta go potty? Go potty. Go potty. She's gonna go potty. Good girl. Look at her. Look at the three-legged stance. Oh, she's going potty. That's a long ass piss she took. Oh my goodness, she's still peeing. She's still three-legging it. Look at her. Look at this. She's still going. I've had to like pause the video like several times. Now she's walking and peeing at the same time. Look at the three-legged, the stanky leg. She's doing the stanky leg. She's still peeing. Oh my god, the poor dog. I've only been gone for like an hour. Come on. Come on. Yep, the cat just walks in here like if it's her freaking house, man. She's lucky I like animals. I'm gonna put my stuff down for a second. Here's the real animal parade. Hold on, let me turn off this light. You might want to run away for this, Mitzi. She doesn't like the shepherds. She doesn't like the shepherds. Here we go, guys. Get ready for the animal house run. Here we go. Yes, I do have a crap load of dogs. Here we go. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! The shepherds are in. Go on, go on. Oh, he got the towel. No, he didn't get the towel. So then I lock him in this room right here, and then I gotta let the Labrador out. Come on, go on, go on, Hershey. And then I gotta let the big shepherd back in the dog room. Go ahead, my boy. They can always get stuck at the door. Or show my boy. And then the little shepherd stays in because she's still a puppy. Shiva, come here. Come here. Come here, Shiva. Here, up. Up. She's a pup. She's a big pup, though. He's a pupperoo. She's a big pup. Just another morning routine on the day that the sun was blocked here with Mr. Random, of course, man. You guys keep it locked with me as we count down total solar meltdown. You guys never had Dunkin' Donuts breakfast, man? I suggest you try the bacon, egg, and cheese bagel. Check that out, guys, with a nice iced coffee. You can't go wrong, man. Let's go ahead and dig in. Look at this. I don't make this up, guys. I'm almost done eating my bagel. Look at this freaking cat. All up in my business, like literally. Hey, get away from my shit. She just climbed up on the, and then I got Mitzi. She loves begging for food. And then I got the shepherd down there. And I got the cat up here. It's like freaking Dr. Doolittle's house. Look at this. Look at this. See, get away from here. Get away from here, cat. Yep, told you I don't make this shit up. Well, it's now time for me to go to work. I got the pups over there. Now I actually gotta switch the dogs and put them back here, get my work dog, and then go ahead and get back in the Crown Vic. Shiva, come on, go on. Here we go, Niklaus, come on, go on. Come on, guys, go on. There we go. In they go. Now we go ahead and get this big doggy over here. This is my money maker right here, guys. There we go. She is hooked up. Oh my goodness. Well, come on. She's hooked up and ready to go. She's ready to go to work. Come on, Hershey, over here. All right, well, now that we loaded up the dog, switched everybody back outside, now it's time to go ahead and head to work. It's so freaking hot here today in Miami. Oh my god, guys. Let's see, we see the shepherds up. There's one up. They're both there. All three dogs are there. See you later, dogs. They love to watch me go, but they hate to watch me leave. I'm here on my way to work, and of course, good old train had to get me. Never fails. Never fails. A train. Yeah. Choo-choo, motherfucker. Of course. So just sitting here in the wonderful traffic, just waiting for the train to pass by. All right, so we are here at work. I'm actually about to switch out the dog, but the sun is right over there. Hopefully that cloud goes away in the next hour. We should have total blackout coverage, so I'm excited for that. Now, this is my usual routine when I get to work. I just open this door and the dog magically, go on, Hershey. She magically goes into where she's supposed to go. Oh my goodness, she's a good girl. She's a good girl. All right, well, we are here at work. Gotta turn in. I'm gonna have to shut you guys out. You guys see the airplane and shit? I'm gonna go through the main gate, so I gotta turn you guys off. And we are out of here. So we made our way to work, and it's pretty cool, you know, what I do for a living. It's not bad, I can't complain. But I can't bring you guys along to see what I do for a living because I can't do that, just for security reasons. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it off here. I will be right back at the point of almost total darkness to witness this live with you guys. I just want to show you guys something real quick. You can see the entire city of Miami skyline and the stadium from the freaking airport. I always thought that was so cool. Like, it's crazy. Like, we're miles away and you can see the entire city of Miami. That's the view I get. And then every morning when the sun is coming out just right, it's like nice and orange. All you see is the buildings and all that. It's pretty cool, man. I wanted to share that with you guys. Alright guys, so I was a little early, maybe about like, I think it was like 20 minutes. Actually, no, I was early by like 2 hours and something. So I am back here at the spot. As you guys can notice, it's hard to tell on the camera, but it's definitely already a little bit darker. Watch, we're gonna turn around and it's literally just gonna be a matter of like under what, 5 minutes maybe until we have the blackout. So I'll try to get a good spot for you guys, and there be the sun. So you can kind of see a little bit of coverage. It's hard to see it. See if actually the cloud is giving us a better angle. You guys see that? You see it? Can you see it? It's hard to tell, but you guys, for that split second, you saw pretty much the shadow of the moon. It's already almost fully covering the sun. There we go. You can see it in the glare. I hope it comes out on camera. You see that glare to the right? That's how much of the sun is being covered. That little black spot is the moon. All the way to the right. You see the glare? I'm moving it up and down, up and down. That, let me see, can I zoom in? There we go. That glare is what's happening right now. It's just still so bright and so intense that it's really hard to see. So I guess we're just gonna have to stare at the glare for a little bit. We'll try to bring it over here as it gets a little bit closer to closing out the sun a little bit more. It's not gonna be all the way here in Miami, like I said, but beggars can't be choosers, right? And like I said, everywhere else it's kind of like a bit of a like shadowy, like more like a shady kind of tone. Camera really doesn't do it justice, man, but there really is. It feels like it's even cooler outside. It's not as hot. It's so weird. So let's get back here. I'm gonna zoom in and we're gonna focus on, there we go, that glare, which is pretty much a reflection of exactly what's going on right now. As the moon gets a little bit closer to covering as much as it's gonna cover the sun. Here we go. So far, the only effects of this eclipse, like I said, is it's partially just a little bit more shadier. I mean, your senses obviously tell you there's something weird going on because it's like not hot, but the sun is out. It's weird. All right, so so far it's just kind of like that shady kind of thing, like just kind of shady. Not like shady, but you guys know what I mean. There it is. It's a little bit more covered up now. Hopefully this cloud cover here will kind of give us a good shot. Come on, where you be? There we go. It's starting to get visible. Come on, cloud. There it is. You guys see it going up? You see it moving up? It's almost covered up, but it's still not that dark, believe it or not. It's still not that dark, surprisingly enough. See it moving up as the clouds move. It's pretty cool. Well, that is gonna be it for solar eclipse 2017. I lived through it, and I gotta say, in Miami it was absolutely crap. As you guys can see, there was a little bit of coverage. It pretty much what an eclipse looks like. In my mind, I thought it was gonna be like darkness, like in other states, or you know, obviously in other states, it did get dark and all that. I thought it was gonna be the same way here in Miami, you know. So apparently, not only does Miami have pretty much no good beaches, they're just flooded freaking beaches full of tourists, full of naked tourists, but on top of that, we have no surf. You can't really surf here in Miami. We got no mountains, we got no hills. Unless you're like a 24/7 club going person, party person, there really isn't anything fun to do in Miami. Even our natural phenomenon sucks in Miami. We got no snow, we got no seasons. If you want to live in a place that has blistering heat and horrible thunderstorms year-round, not to mention incredible traffic, pissed off people, super high rent, and practically nothing interesting to do, and a bunch of swamp with humidity and alligators that eat you with nothing but mosquitoes and really, really loud Cubans, then by all means, come on down to Miami, Florida. There isn't any room for you, but we'll gladly take you. So that is going to be it for today's video. Either way, I hope you guys enjoyed coming along for my kind of like daily routine. You know, it's a Monday. This is kind of like what my routine consists of on Monday. It just so happened to be a freaking solar eclipse, but like I said, jack crap in Miami, Florida. Like always, we get nothing good. Nothing. We don't even get hurricanes anymore. Oh my God, I think I'm about to move the hell out of here and man, go live in Alaska or some shit. I need some excitement in my damn life. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed riding along with me for today. I will catch you guys tomorrow, actually, for another Nissan Sentra video. If you're watching this video, I'm going to be turboing it. That's what I'm doing tomorrow. So a little heads up for you guys. Either way, it's your boy, Mr. Random. Stay away from Miami. Take it easy.